the term extremely high amounts of COVID vaccine deaths? No. However, she posted a chart from a government database. Now, for those who don't know, it's called VAERS database. VAERS is all self-reported. It's very difficult to know whether it's real or not. Anybody can technically do it. Some people look at it as gospel. Some people look
Poor
at it
bird sees its reflection. It just wants to.
regardless, it is a government database, and you know, I don't agree with what she said.
Poor birdie.
Look at the actual strike itself. She posted it talking about the website, and misinterpreting data is something that happens on Twitter all the time. Ask any of these idiots who still believe in supply side economics. I see it every day on my Facebook. This one in particular was whenever she said that COVID is not dangerous unless you are obese or over the age of 65. That is an objectively true statement. Now, I'm not saying that you can't still die or get hospitalized whenever you're under the age of 65 and not obese, but it's extremely unlikely to the point where there are a lot of other.
What are you doing, bird?
A lot more at risk for. And so when you say, quote, not dangerous for people unless